Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I clean my bedroom. It's a small bedroom in UK. If you live in United Kingdom, you would know that the bedrooms are small. Even the living room sometimes can be so small as well. But I'm just going to walk you through how I normally clean my bedroom within a twinkle of an eye. Within 10 minutes, you're done cleaning. So if you want to know how to do that, just keep watching. So when I want to clean my bedroom, I first of all clean the bed, just vacuum clean the dust out of the bed because what I have, my bed is actually like the velvet kind of texture, so it actually keep like dust kind of. So if you don't vacuum clean it or you don't clean it more often, you'll find out that you see dust hanging around the edge of the bed. So whenever I clean, I always intend to use this vacuum cleaner to clean the up. It's actually a normal proper vacuum cleaner, but I just remove the long stripe and then use the short one to clean the head. I think that's one of the reasons why I actually bought this vacuum cleaner, and it's the cordless vacuum cleaner. If you would like to check the vacuum cleaner out, I'll be leaving the link in the description section so you can just check it out if it's something you'll be interested in. So after doing that, I like to dust my bed and then just I'm not very perfect at fitting bed, if you will notice, but actually I do it to a great extent which you will know that your bedroom is properly dressed. If you're someone like me that is not very perfect with fitting the bed like a pro, please leave a comment in the comment section below. I want to hear your opinion. So if you live in the United Kingdom, you know that you always find a way to get storage. So the bed is like the Ottoman bed and it has a storage underneath. So under the storage, I have a lot of clothes there, my native attires, stuff that I don't use more often, seasonal clothes. I just put it there and it's really safe with these IKEA storage bags. It's very safe. So if you will notice, I did not change my bedspread because a day before I'm filming this video, I actually changed the bedspread. And the reason for this video is to show you how I quickly clean my small bedroom. Yes, that's the whole reason for this video. So if anyone is wondering why did she not change her bedspread, and also what I like using is this steamer. It's very good. If you take your bedspread out of the washing machine or you just wash it or you fold it somewhere, definitely it will be squeezed and rumpled. So this steamer help you to just straighten all those rumpled lines out of your bedspread. I tend to use this steamer as well for my clothes because I'm not good at ironing, pressing clothes. My husband always do that for me, but if I need to do a quick straightening, I easily use the steamer. It works easy for me, it's faster. So if you are that kind of person who don't really know how to use pressing iron, because some people also use pressing iron on their bed, but the steamer is better for your bed if you need to steam it. I'll be leaving the link in the description section, which you can just check. If you think you need it, you can check it and then order it, and it's very affordable as well. And before we go further, I would like to say that my bed is a king size bed and I actually bought it from Dreams. Dreams is a popular UK bed shops. So they are popularly known for their beds. Their beds are very good, and the bed is not too expensive. You won't break the bank for it, so it's not too expensive. So if you would like to check the bed out, I'll be leaving the link in the description section as well, which you can just check and see if it's something you think you would like to buy. And also, what I notice is that once you fold in your duvet cover into your bed, it makes your bedroom looks like it's tidy, like it's properly tidy, even though the surroundings are not really properly tidy. If you understand what I'm talking about, so I love to use pillow protector. That's what I just put in right now on my pillow. So if you've been using your pillow without a pillow protector, hello, please, you have to check out pillow protector. It helps a lot, because immediately you take that pillow protector out, your pillow will look so new, like you're just bringing it out from the bag, because all the dirt or whatever that goes to it, the sweat from your hair, just stays in the protector, not the pillow itself, if you understand what I'm talking about. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh. If you are watching this video and you're based in United Kingdom, you know how we manage our space. But in this small bedroom, I actually did wonders in it. Don't worry, if you guys would like to see any other video like house tour, house cleaning, leave a comment in the comment section below. I might want to do more of that, because within my small apartment, Jesus, once you step into my house, you understand that this lady is as if I don't understand. She knows the trick about UK houses. The house is so small, but you have to make sure that you do, as in, storage is just the game changer. You have to find a way to have a lot of storage in your small bedroom, and I bet you're gonna thank me later. So in this small bedroom as well, we have an inbuilt wardrobe, which the company that actually built the house, they did so well on this. But this inbuilt wardrobe, I actually made it myself. Actually get someone to like do the wardrobe, and it's very very nice, and it's not expensive as well. So this is the cordless vacuum cleaner I was talking about. The same cordless vacuum cleaner that I used to clean the head of the bed. And we're using it to clean the house. We even use it to clean our cars as well. And also you can change the head. You can make it short or long as well. And if you're cleaning a place that is a little bit dark, it comes up with that light so you can see where you're cleaning properly. So if you would like to see the link, I'll be leaving it in the description section. If you know me, you know how much I love my apartment to smell very good. So I have some bedroom fragrance that I normally spray in my bedroom after cleaning my bedroom. You will love the smell. So if you find your way to the end of this video and you've not subscribed to my channel, please support your girl by hitting on the subscribe button, press on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you would like to see more of this kind of video on this channel, please leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll try as much as possible to upload that for you guys to watch. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.